When I think of family and friends that I've had, all of my blessings, although I'm so bad. I'm grateful to Allah, but I'm still a bit sad, 'cause I wish you were with us again. Chosen by Allah to teach us His deen, sent as a mercy to His alamin. And now you're resting under the dome green, but I wish you were with us again. Abused by the pagans and persecuted, there's no God but Allah was all that you said. For us, your Ummah, you cried and you bled, and I wish you were with us again. I know I shouldn't pray for things that can't be. You've gone on and that is a reality. But I can't help feelings that dwell inside me, and I wish you were with us again. With us again, 'cause you gave me hope just when my life had hit a down road slope. You brought us together to hold Allah's rope. And though you're not here, through Allah will call. People would curse you, throw dust on your head. You take their harsh words, give kind words instead. Your enemies changed by the life that you led. Oh, how many hearts did you mend? Your patience and kindness are guide for my life. You taught me to be just and respect my wife, to give to my parents and neighbors their rights, and I wish you could teach us again. Some people say that we love you too much, but I don't think they know what love is as such. 'Cause what we give for just one glance or touch, they know how we feel for you then. And I realize I can't get back the past, and moments in this life are passing so fast. Now with these thoughts and emotions at last, long for the day when I see you at last. 'Cause you'll be our refuge on the judgment day, when family and friends will be running away. My ummah, to Allah you will say, and I hope that I'll be with you then. 'Cause all those who love you obey God's commands. Your followers come from all nations and lands to drink at the fountain from your blessed hands. And I hope that I'll be one of them. Yeah. Yes, I hope that we'll be with you then. Inshallah, we'll be with you then. Upon you may peace Allah send. Allahumma salli wa sallim wa barik alayhi wa ala alihi.